Yes, students. Exercise 2.5, sum number 6. Identity used in this sum are a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Now we will implement this identity in 6 sum first part. Identity a plus b whole cube. See, this is a and this is b. A is 2x, b is 1. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube 3ab into a plus b. This is 2 cube is 8 cube, 8 and x cube is as it is. Cube of 1 is 1. Here this is 3 2s are 6x into 2x plus 1. So you will get 8x cube plus 1. This 6x will be multiplied with 2x plus 6x multiplied with 1. Your answer will be 8x cube plus 1 plus 12x square plus 6x. Right? A plus b whole cube. Now in second part, statement is 2a minus 3b whole cube. A is 2a, b is 3b. No need to use the sign of minus with the statement b because we are using identity of a minus b whole cube, right? So a is 2a, b is 3b. Statement is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Your answer is 2a cube is 8, a cube, 3 cube is 27, b cube, minus 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, ab into 2a minus 3b. When you multiply the statement outside the bracket, you will get 18ab into 2a minus minus plus 18ab into 3b. So your final answer will be 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 18 2s are 36 a square b plus 18 3s are 54 ab square. That's all. Is it clear? Give a 1 minute review to these two parts thoroughly. Yes, students. Now we are going to discuss 6th sum third and fourth part with the help of a plus b whole cube or a minus b whole cube. Like in third part, 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. This is a plus b whole cube. A is 3 by 2x, b is 1. So what will be the answer? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So your answer is 3 by 2 cube is 27 by 8x cube. 1 cube is 1. Here you will get 9 by 2x into 3 by 2x plus 1. Your final answer will be 27 by 8x cube plus 1 plus 9 by 2x will be multiplied with 3 by 2x. Then 9 by 2x will be multiplied with 1. So your answer is 27 by 8x cube plus 1 plus 27 by 4 x square plus 9 by 2x. Clear? Same in fourth part. In fourth part, statement is x minus 2 by 3y whole cube. This is a minus b whole cube. A is x, b is 2 by 3y. a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, means x cube minus 2 by 3 y cube minus 3 into x into 2 by 3 y, then x minus 2 by 3 y. 3 and 3 are cancelled. So this is x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus 2xy into x minus 2 by 3y. Clear? This is x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube. When this 2xy will be multiplied with x, it will be 2x square y minus minus plus 2xy multiplied with 2 by 3y is 4 by 3 xy square. This is your answer. Statement outside the bracket will be multiplied with every term inside the bracket. Give a 1 minute review to these two parts. Now students, we are going to discuss 2.57 sum first part 99 cube. We will use either a minus b whole cube or a plus b whole cube. It depends upon the statement. Means 99 can be written as 100 minus 1 whole cube. A is 100, b is 1. Identity of a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Means 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 100 into 1 into 100 minus 1. So cube of 100 is 1 with 6 zeros. Cube of 1 is 1. This is 300 into 100 minus 1 is 99. Clear? Firstly, solve this bracket. Then multiply the number coming out from this bracket with 300. Right? So this is when 1 is subtracted from this number, you will get 6 times 9 minus this is 29,700. When you subtract 29,700 from this number, you will get 9,70,299. 970,299. Now in second part, this is 102 cube. It can be written as 100 plus 2 cube. A is 100, B is 2. Identity will be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. You will get 1 with 6 zeros. 2 cube is 8. This is 600 into 102. This is plus 61200. When these two numbers are added, you will get 1061208. Give a 1 minute review to these two parts thoroughly.